Hello, this is a quick video to show how to add stroke to text in Photoshop. In last tutorial, we have added the text layer and changed the color of text. We can find the tutorial in this channel. Now I go back to black color, select all the text and change it to black color. And then if we want to add stroke to the text, we can go to window and show paths. To show the path window, and then we can go to the layer, the text layer, and right click to just convert to a shape. So we got the shape path for the text, and then we can go to the layer and add a new layer, and I will use a pen tool to create a shape path. Then we can select the text layer again and go to use convert point tool to select the text path, and press Ctrl C to copy and go to shape layer. Make sure that this is the shape path, and then Ctrl V to paste the text path. Now we can go back to pen tool to show the option. We can change the fill color to another color. I pick it to green, and then we can change the stroke color. I keep it in red. And we can change the stroke size, and we can change the stroke style to dotted line to dot. I keep it in line, and we can change the alignment to move it to inside or outside. Also, we can change the cat style. We can change the corner style to round. Actually, we don't want this path, so we can use convert point tool to select the path and delete it. So this is how we can add stroke to text in Photoshop. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CJ Yan. See you in the next video. Bye bye.